If you can do technical analysis, that's great, but that's not enough. Having the right mindset is actually the key to your trading success. Here's how I help my members stay composed and made over $12,000 in profit trading Costco. The setup was pretty straightforward. Costco had a textbook cup and handle setup. I had both the trigger and the profit target marked on the chart, so everyone was pretty cleared on what I was looking for. There you can see on July the 6th, we entered the Costco trade as planned around $491, and we also bought Costco July 15 500 calls for $650. Costco was consolidating around the pivot, just chopping around. And of course, with options, it fluctuates a lot when the stock is consolidating. So some of the members were concerned about their holding and asked if I was still holding those calls. The thing is, nothing has changed with Costco. The setup remains intact. There's absolutely nothing to worry about. So I confirmed my conviction to my members, saying that yes, I was still holding my options, even though we took trims, and usually I raise my stop loss to break even after I take the first trim. This time I did not because the chart was still good. But of course, with the volatile nature of option trading, you have to take trims to ensure your profit. So we trimmed around $8.10, $9.50, and $10.65 to ensure we keep profit to ourselves. We pay ourselves first. And here is the end result, because we held our conviction based on the chart, not based on our emotions. We were able to lock in over $12,000 in profit just Friday alone. So that is not the profit from all the trims we've taken. The $12,000 was just for Friday alone.